PowerPoint
All
on my
right.
list.
So 3 minutes for you starting now.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Gregory, and I'm from SolHotAir. We are manufacturing the air solar heating collectors. In every minute, sun is producing enough energy to satisfy all humanity for 1 year. It's a huge amount of energy. But the problem is that we still do not have enough efficient technology to convert this energy. And I would like to talk about one kind of conversion of this energy. On the market, we've got like photovoltaic panels and we generate electricity, and everybody knows. But we've also got the second part of the collectors. It's the heating collectors, which generate heat energy, and we are very efficient in it. And I will talk about the heating collectors. What's the problem with the heat production? The heat production is very expensive. The heat is twice expensive as electricity production. Heat is mostly produced from fossil fuels, oil, gas, and coal, and heat production generates a huge carbon footprint. Typical 1,000 square meter warehouse produces 800 tons of CO2 annually. Our solution is air solar heating collector with a very high efficiency air solar heating collector. On the screen, you see this our collectors. And how does it work? The cold air from outside flows into the collector, and inside, because of our patented system and because of the sun, the heat is air is warmed up, and already heated air flows out into the building, even with the temperature of 40 degrees, so it's enough in winter season. What's the advantages of SolHotAir? The first is the high efficiency. We are 20% more than our competitors. We are really high efficient. We are intended for heating, and we can save the money for our customer. We can less heating costs up to 40%. And of course, we are fully ecological source of energy. We've got also the competitive price for our customers. In my examples in CO2 in the industry, 1,000 square meter warehouse, we can reduce CO2 emissions by over 300 tons with our collectors. Our main market segments are warehouse and commercial buildings, and the second one is public utility buildings. Third one is the farm and biomass dryers, and the fourth, it will be later, we would like to achieve the private buildings. Our team is very experienced with Mariusz Jaszke, Chief of Engineers and Creative of the Technology, and with Małgosia Dorota and me as a business development. Our references is the first installations, 15 kilowatt power, already carried out in Hipolit Cegielski. And we've got like two patents, European and Polish patent, and our technology was confirmed by Fraunhofer Institute. So we are ready for manufacturing.
Grzegorz,
Thank you
just
very
let
much.
know. Okay, we now move to the Q&A session. I'll stop the clock. So yeah, so if our judges have any question, maybe Mary, do you have any questions for Grzegorz?
Yeah, thanks. I was just wanting to ask what stage you are. So I see you started to talk about that you have one installation so far, but as I understand, it's a ready product.
Yeah, it's ready product for manufacturing. We are on the stage of first investment, now in the seed investments round, and we've got like first commercial client. We are starting with the first commercial client and the first public client with the city of Warsaw. It will be in a sports hall, 300 kilowatts.
Yeah, and then I was going to ask about your traction. So you have one pilot coming up with the city of Warsaw and this other one that you mentioned. What does your sales pipeline look like? So I imagine it's a rather lengthy sales cycle for this type of a product.
Yeah.
What can you tell me about other customers, potential pilots you have in the pipeline?
With this investment round, we are going to build the sales department, and we are going to sell our products for the big customers or companies. We are talking with a few of them, with the corporations. and it will be exactly made by us. But also we are looking for the distributor. It will be probably in Poland the distributor the same as photovoltaics, because it will be the complementary product for them. We would like to be more manufacturer than distributor.
And you said you're raising a seed round. How much are you looking to raise, and do you have all that committed already?
Yeah, 400,000 euros.
Okay, and you have your investor on board already for this?
Yeah.
Okay. And you're focusing mainly on the Polish market, I guess, in the first place?
No, we've got the Polish and European market. We are starting with the Polish market, and we would like to do some demonstrators in Europe with the European grants program to show the technology in European countries.
Thank you.
Okay.
Can you tell us also something more about the business model and the pricing, etc.?
Yeah, the one collector costs around 3,000 Polish zloty. It's 800 euros or less. It depends of the construction, but usually it costs around 800 euros, and of course you have to count also the cost of installations.
So the business model, what is the business model? How are you selling it?
We are going to sell it through distributors for the private houses, but for the big companies we are going to sell by ourselves. Actually, for now, probably we would like to sell, and this is our plan too. We would like to sell the patent for the distributors in Europe. We will see.
So we are planning to operate mostly in Europe.
Yeah, exactly. Because we've got the already European patent. We received it last month, so we don't have the patent on the other markets, so it's hard for us.
And where are your competitors located? The major ones in Europe or somewhere else?
In Denmark and in Germany. Those the biggest competitors with the efficiency of 60%. We are better than them, but still.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Grzegorz. Time is up, so
Thank you.
I have to be fair to other startups and
thank you very much.
right here.